Hello guys, today I'm working at the cafe. Oh, someone came. Hello. Sup? Okay. What? I'm looking for a Jake. Oh. I haven't seen any. I haven't seen any Jakes around, sorry. Is this a joke? Because people are like laughing in the chat and they were just hanging out with her. I need them so I won't become what? Is this a joke? Cause it it was a joke. Okay. Is anyone else gonna come to my restaurant? I need a Jake. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can there... Yesterday I was working at the cafe and everyone was coming. Literally everybody in the server. So, let's see here. Let's do candy cane and hot chocolate. Okay, let's do it. My diamonds are so low, I don't even know how to express it. Okay. Period, sister. Okay, oh, wow. Okay, hello. What are they asking? Wheeze. Oh my god. Ugh! I swear, Roblox, like, is overprotective about their caps. They just need to let it flow sometimes. 'Cause literally, I try to say something. All tagged out. Literally. Hello, does anyone want to come to my cafe? I guess not. Come on. I know someone wants to come. Come to the cafe or die. No, I'm not gonna say that. That's like... Let's do... Come to the cafe or freeze. I can make that happen, you know. I'm like Elsa, you know. I'm like such a princess. Come to the cafe or freeze. Hello? Come on. I'm getting impatient. Come on. Okay. Hello? I did not put ornaments on there. Why did it say I did? I don't know. Okay, I'm going to spy on people. Berry breakfast ready. OMG, hang out on a... What? How to get Shrek script? What? Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm gonna, rickroll people, but they can't actually see it. OMG, come to the it's emergency. Quick. Okay, I'm gonna go to the fountain. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste it. No, it's not copy and pasted! Oh my gosh. I'm freaking out. Okay, come to the fountain. It's emergency. Do I not know how to spell emergency? Ugh. Ew. I'm probably gonna lose subscribers. But, yeah, I don't care if I lose subscribers, because this is just my alt channel, that I play on my computer. Okay, hello? Come get Rick Roll. Come get Rickrolled, people. ABC to get Rick by me. Hello, everyone wants to get Rickrolled by me. Hello? Ow! That hurt. Ow! Sorry, headphone users. There is a lot of rape, or however you say it. I don't know how. Let me spell it for you. Oh my gosh, it doesn't let you spell that. Okay, E. It's Krusty the Krabs. Everyone loves SpongeBob. Yes. Especially rape. The rape. This is my cafe. Hello, what would you like? She didn't. Hey! Come on, thief. Show yourself. She is standing right there, but like. Come on. Don't be shy. She can't even bother to type one letter. I guess some Royal High players are like 2 years old. But I am 11. So. Haha. That's a thing about me. Yeah. Okay. Hello. Are any of my friends in Christmas Town? None of them are. Okay. Hello. Anyone want to come to the cafe? Okay, that's it. Come to the cafe or die. Okay, I'm gonna just go around saying that to people. This is probably, like, not good at all. I wouldn't do this, but, like, I am desperate. Oh, I didn't mean to put that face. Why is my flying like this? Oh, it got fixed. Okay. Okay, and oop. Okay, come on. Come on, show yourself. Show yourself. Okay. Does anyone want to come to the cafe? Okay, literally only one thief came, so, I don't know what to say. Everybody hates me. Oh my god. Okay. You stole from the cafe. Payback. Come on, give me it back. Throw up in my hand. Hello? Come on. Admit it. Theft. People always get their way. Okay, half of my videos are like sarcasm, so like, oh my gosh. So don't take it seriously. Well, I didn't know that was on the, okay, I'm putting on, no, ice, is it called like, oh, ICE's UFO. What? How did they get, oh, they pattern designed it. Ugh, come on, people. I'm picking them up. Come to the cafe! I'm going crazy. Please.